No. Please, Lightning McQueen. Don't do this. You're gonna kill yourself. Oh, Lightning McQueen. Why? Why would you do that? No. Like and subscribe for Lightning McQueen. April Fool!